The Jako Jollof Rice Initiative, introduced by Hon Seyi Jakande, was launched at St. Martin's Primary School premises, Damigoro. The program aims to provide free food for pupils every Friday to ease the financial burden on parents and encourage more children to attend school regularly. The event drew a large crowd, including the Assistant Chairman, Honorable Oluwagbeminiyi Awodogon, teachers, counselors, parents, community leaders, and happy pupils who were the true beneficiaries of the initiative. In his address, Honorable Seyi Jakande spoke about the importance of good nutrition in children's education. He noted that many children struggle to learn when they are hungry, and that this program would help improve their focus and attendance. He explained that the initiative was given to food vendors in each school who were instructed to ensure that the meals they prepare are good, healthy, and delicious for the little ones. He promised that the program would continue as it is designed to reduce the pressure on parents and promote a stronger, more united community. The event was colorful and joyous, with pupils expressing gratitude and excitement.
Thank you so much for what you have done for us. May God bless you. Thank you.
I am so excited for what Honorable Jakande did for us.
Jakande Jollof Rice. He gave us jollof rice for food. Thank you, Jakande.
Parents and teachers praised Honorable Jakande for his generosity and commitment to community development. The Jako Jollof Rice Initiative has become a symbol of hope, care, and unity, showing that small acts of kindness can have a big impact on children, families, and the entire community. For High Impact Television, Toluwase Akinwumi.